Hello, everybody. Today I have created a practice project for all of you called as rock, paper, scissors, and you will learn a lot about C language in this, and you will get very proficient in C language if you code this whole project on your own. So, let me first give you a demo of this project, then I will explain you so it will be pretty easy for you to understand. Now, my choice is two. You chose paper, computer chose rock, I win. So this is the rock, paper, scissors program. So now the hash include standard input, standard lib, and time.h are the libraries imported, and these are the functions prototype, get computer choice, get user choice, and last check winner with these user choice and computer choice parameters. In the main function, I first initialized srand for the seed of the random function, then rock paper scissors as a headline, then user choice variable initialization, and get user choice function is the value of the user choice, and get computer choice is the value of computer choice. And then there is a switch case statement to check whether I chose rock, paper, or scissor. And then there is a switch case statement whether computer chose rock, paper, or scissor. And then there are is a calling of a function called as check winner. So this function decides who is the winner. So now what inside all those computer choice, user choice, and check winner functions? In get user choice, first I declare a variable called choice, then I run a do while loop in which I ask for value between 1 to 3, and then it completely keeps on running until you give a valid choice. Then inside get computer choice, it's just a formula to return random value between 1 to 3. And inside check winner, there are if and else if conditions to check who is the winner. And if all those conditions become false, then computer is the winner and it prints you lost. So I want you all to please code this on your own to have a very decent understanding and achieve proficiency in C language.